How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And this is my brother's R33 with its engine in, which, as you guys can imagine, that is a big moment for us all. You know, just being able to see it all in here this is pretty awesome. So I actually missed being able to be here when the engine went in. My brother and my sister-in-law and stuff, they did turn up for it and they got a bit of good footage. So yeah, let's have a quick look at that footage.
Hey, cheese.
It's not crusty with the grey.
It's not like in Hollywood where, you know, you just plop it in and everything goes straight away. It takes a few attempts and stuff like that, but being able to get a bit of footage of all of that being put in. But this is the engine in its home. We've got the air filter here, the Nismo one, which hopefully you all saw the video of that previously, just going into detail about this airbox and stuff. We've got the Nismo pipes just in through here. We can see the turbos, so they're looking all nice and pretty in there. We've got pretty much all the suspension back into the car now. I think there's a few other things my brother's gonna get blacked out. You can see just how much of this engine bay just all looks clean black with a few details of silver and red here and there. So got the VCAM plaque just here, the HKS oil cap. This looks so nice just in billet or black. Got the Nismo intake plenum as well. Oh, this looks so good. And because my brother's gone for the drive-by-wire, we don't have the actual throttle mount, I guess this probably is, for the throttle linkage and stuff like that. That's all been taken off from here. So just looking at that, it's gonna look so good. This is the first time I'm seeing this car so low down in a long time, where I can actually get inside and we can briefly have a look. Just have a quick look around. Obviously that's the dashboard there, but you can see the whole interior. That is the brown, which kind of looks like a different hue at the moment on camera, as it probably is in real life. We've got the leather interior, the tan and brown leather interior done by my dad. The full video of my dad doing the leather retrimming and stuff like that will be uploaded in the near future. We've still got a few more bits and pieces to get done, but you guys have already seen a few sneak pieces of the actual interior. You can hear Steve and stuff working in the background. But yeah, I'm so excited to see this car all done. It's gonna look so unique. Look at how tight the trim work is just there. So it's gonna be very snug. If I open this up just a little bit, we can have, you know, just looking at the belt buckle area, you know, everything is just, yeah. This is the steering wheel my brother was gonna fit to his car, but he's picked up an R34 GTR steering wheel, so that's probably what's gonna be used for the car. But yeah, look at that, everyone. Just look at it. So excited. And you can also see, if I, that is the Minds rear view mirror, which as you guys can all see, green carbon fiber to match the bodywork. It's just gonna look awesome. The car is actually due in to go for mapping and those kind of things in a few weeks. So it's gonna basically become a rolling shout in the near future. What I'm hoping to do is be able to be here when the car first gets down onto the ground and be able to see it rolling for the first time. That's going to be pretty awesome. You can see the rear subframe just looks so beautiful on here. I want to get the car lifted up later on so we can all have a full look underneath the car. Just so exciting. So exciting. You can have a look inside again from here. I'm showing you guys all of this from pure excitement of being a car enthusiast who's so into this kind of build and, you know, appreciating what's been going on with it also. Hopefully that's all coming across in the videos. But there we go, everyone. There you go, everyone. My brother's engine is finally in its home place. So, you know, it's gonna be awesome. You can just see just how tidy everything, clean everything is. Gosh, this will be such a nice car to work on. But hopefully you won't ever need any work in any near future. So yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Right, so catch up with the other guys, see what they're all up to. You know, just an RB25, just hanging around here and stuff. Yeah, just a big turbo just over there. Exhaust hanging, you know, just the same old same as Steve's. God.
Too small, isn't it?
Rare moment of you putting a car part on.
Be very careful, that airbox is rusty.
Is it on? No, it is.
So the funny thing is, I've actually come over here today. We're all fasting, me, my brother, and our friend Solomon, who also has a GTR as well. We thought we'd spend the day here getting the catch up with the 33, getting all that footage that I wanted to show you all, and then we can kind of break our fast here and carry on with our day. Iftar date. You can't complain about being around all these cars. This is just awesome. Absolutely love it. Let's carry on looking at some GTRs. This is the other R34 that we've kind of followed along with the channel, or on the channel I should say. So this is Mans's one, and there is the interior looking all nice and pretty in there. This car is kind of been getting worked on at the same time as my brother's one, so they've been pretty much next to each other for majority of the time. So this is also waiting for the engine to come back. It was actually done from paint first, but then it went in for paint again. A lot of random story that basically happened with that. I could go into it in a bit more detail as long as I have the owner's permission, which I'll see if I can get for a future video. But yeah, it's this is going for big power, and it's going to be pretty awesome to see it once it's all done. The engine has been shipped away somewhere. See if anyone can guess where the engine would have been shipped to. But yeah, big power coming in for that one. Got this R34 here as well, which was here last time. There was another 34 over here last time as well, but that's not there. We've just got this one here, and I'm not complaining. The work has come along nicely with this. Beautiful Bayside blue. This one doesn't have its front seats in it at the moment, but got the personal steering wheel as well. Looks good. And the Sonic R32. This car again has also been pretty much on my channel a huge amount. This 32, oh wow, I love the lighting, the way it's affecting my hands right now. Ooh, magic hands. But this 32, this has been the one that was black with the wide body game put on and stuff. So this has motivated me a lot to get on with my E30, but I just don't have the time. And obviously I'm working on my own all the time, so that doesn't help a lot. But it's so good to see this car at pretty much close to finishing point. Wow, look at that. Full carbon fiber everywhere. This is a special interior. That is going to be a very special car. And my brother's door car is just over here waiting to get installed. Look at these wheels, man, they look crazy. I don't know what car they're going to be fitted on, to be honest. Still love this whole look. The color would have looked nice on my brother's one, but I think the black does ultimately look better. What do you all think? Does the black suit my brother's car more, or would the green have looked better? Mention it in the comments, because I'd find it interesting to know, because I kind of want to see this on this car at the same time. So maybe convince my brother to get another set put on to his car. Who knows? Guys, I'm not going to take up a huge amount of time on this video. This is kind of going over the engine installation, which was a really nice big moment. I think in the car scene, a lot of people say it as the marriage, but yeah, big moment there. Quick little catch up with the guys. I'll probably, add a few other bits and pieces of us. But yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this new update. This is basically a quick little update of my brother's 33 with the engine going in. As I said, the marriage of the body and the engine getting joined up together. I'll get some more footage of us being underneath the car. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel to see more good old car content from me. And hopefully I'll see you on another one. Peace out. Bye.